What's the meaning of clover? Clover. Clover.
Clover. Clover. The term clover refers to a type of plant that is commonly found in many parts of the world. It is known for its distinctive three-lobed leaves and its ability to fix nitrogen in soil, making it an important crop for farmers. Additionally, the plant has been associated with luck and good fortune in many cultures and is often used as a symbol of the Irish countryside. Overall, the term clover can refer both to a specific plant species and to the cultural beliefs and associations surrounding it.